Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can build a website using AI and then host that website completely for free using Cloudflare. So here you can see currently I am in aistudio.google.com. So here I am already logged in. So if you are logged in AI Studio, you will see an interface like this. So first of all, we are going to build a website. So here I am going to give a prompt over here. So here I'll just give a simple prompt and click on build. So right now Google AI Studio will read the prompt and it will build a website for us. So it will take some time to build a website. So right now I will fast forward the video until the website creation is complete. So here you can see our website is complete and the design is quite solid, and also the images was generated by Google AI Studio by itself. So the website is complete. So right now what we need to do is that we need to host this website completely for free. But before that, what we need to do is we need to upload this project to GitHub. And how can we do it? For it, here you will see this share option. So we need to click on share. Then we're going to click on this arrow icon, and there you can see it is showing us GitHub option. So we need to click on GitHub. So here you can see my GitHub is connected with Google AI Studio. So if your GitHub is not connected with Google AI Studio, then here you will see a login option to GitHub. So you just need to connect your GitHub with Google AI Studio. Okay, so I'm going to make this public and I'm going to give a repository name. Let's say the name will be Supercar. You can name it anything. And we also need to give a description as well. So we're going to give a description. Supercar, the same thing. So here you can see create GitHub repository. So if I now just click here, there you can see it is now creating a repository in GitHub. So it created a repository called Supercar in our GitHub. So right now here you can see we have some files and folder over here. So we need to upload those files and folder to the repository. So for it, here you can see stage and commit all changes. So we need to click on this button and all those files will be uploaded to the GitHub repository. So there you can see it's done. So here if I just click on this arrow icon, it will take us to our GitHub account, and here you can see we have a repository called Supercar in the GitHub, and we have some files and folder over here, which is this project folder. Okay, so right now what we want is that we want to host this project to Cloudflare completely for free. So how can we do it? That is really simple. We just need to open another tab, and in this tab we're going to search over here Cloudflare and press enter, and here you can see cloudflare.com. So we're going to click here, then we're going to click here login, and we're going to log in with our email address. So I'll click on Google and I'll choose my email address, click on continue, and there you can see currently we are in the Cloudflare dashboard. So right now here you will see an option here create app. So I'm going to click here create app, and here you can see we have a connect GitHub option. So I'm going to click here connect GitHub, and we're going to choose our GitHub account. Then we're going to click here install and authorize. So right now here you can see Cloudflare right now has access to the GitHub. So continue with GitHub. So I'm going to click here, and there you can see it will now show us all the project and basically all the repositories in our GitHub account. So our repository name was Supercar, which was this one. So I'm going to select this, then click here next, and the project name is Supercar. It will give those detail by itself. So I'm just directly click here deploy. Okay, so we cannot give any symbol over here, and it can only contain the okay. So I'm going to say over here Supercar and click here deploy. So there you can see setting up your repository. So it will take a few seconds to deploy our website and make it live, and there you can see it's still loading. I think it will take like 20 to 30 seconds, and there you can see success build complete. So here you can see our deploying is complete. So when the deploying is complete, here you can see domains option. So we're going to click on domain, and here you can see it is showing us a address. So make sure to make this enable, and then just copy this address and just paste it over here and press enter. So there you can see our website is live, and every image and every detail is showing properly. So if you just share this link with anyone, they will be able to see your website. And if you want to add a specific domain, then what you can do is that just go to the Cloudflare domain section, and here you can see add domain option. So if you have your own domain, you can add it and link it to a specific website. Okay, so I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.